almost kalahati may iwan sa Shanghai. Yun po yung galing ng Bamban.
Deported to China were illegal Chinese pogo laborers. On Friday, over 70 Chinese laborers who were apprehended in connection with several illicit Philippine offshore gaming operations, pogo, in Bamban, Tarlac, Porac, Pampangan, Pasay City were sent back to their home country. After going through immigration inquiry procedures, it was determined that the Chinese nationals had broken immigration laws by neglecting to produce legitimate travel documentation. Nearly half of the Chinese laborers who were detained in Bamban Tarlac earlier this year would be transported to Shanghai and prosecuted there, according to Winston Casio, spokesman for the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission. The remaining ones, he claimed, will be sent by chartered flight to Xi'an, China.
Yung almost kalahati may iwan sa Shanghai. Yun po yung galing ng Bamban. Doon po sila kinasuhan ng China eh. Yung kalahati naman mahigit papunta ng Xi'an. Yun yung galing ng Porac, Pampanga.